Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Brandon. This is Dave with Smucker Exteriors. We're back here in Kenneth Square, PA. We've got a real big house project. We wanted to show you what we have going on. Dave, why don't you tell us about the project?
Sure. So here we got the Certainty Grand Manor roof system that we're installing. Also the James Hardie fiber cement siding. And then we're also doing the Marvin Ultimate windows and doors. We're doing the AZAC fascia and soffit over the entire house. And also we're doing some shed dormers as well.
Yep. So basically, it's a big project. We have a lot going on. It's going to be a lot of fun. Why don't you guys come on up to the house with us and check it out. We're up at the house now, guys. We're a couple days into this project, and today the house wrap is going on. This Blueskin house wrap is a newer product that we're using on some of our residential homes, and we actually invited Larry, the rep, out to really help us understand this newer house wrap, why it's so great, why we're loving it, and why our homeowners are loving it too. So Larry, why don't you tell us a little bit about the Blueskin house wrap?
Absolutely, thank you. Blueskin VP100, self-adhering, self-sealing air and water barrier for your home. All right, traditional house wraps, you're nailing and stapling up and then taping the seams. The end product, you end up with a bunch of holes in your air and water barrier. This product sticks to the wall, bridges all of the gaps and cracks in that building substrate. No nails or staples to put it on the wall, no tape to tape the seams, it sticks. Anything that you punch through the membrane, it gaskets and seals around.
Yeah, so these are great features that other house wraps really aren't offering. So like you said, when we go to attach the siding, we are going to be running nails through, but then those nails are sealing because of the adhesive on the back side of this house wrap. So it's taking the protection of the home to another level, really. We're really excited about it. Initially, this is a commercial material.
Correct, not a new product, not new technology, been in the commercial world for a dozen years. We've just tweaked it and made it more economical and user-friendly to residential applications.
Yeah, so now we get to put it on our homes. Homeowners are really getting excited. We're excited to have access to it for residential projects. Thanks for being here, Larry, and helping us understand this a little bit better. Guys, we're gonna go around to another side of the house and check out some other things we have going on. We're around the side of the house here, and we're about to throw this window in. We got the window opening prepped. Before we throw it in, Dave, why don't you tell us a little bit about our installation process and what we do to make sure windows don't leak?
Sure. So here we're installing a Marvin, the Ultimate series. It's aluminum clad with the wood interior. Also, we did all the house wrap, the flashing tapes, the seal flashing. Most important, needs to be up 6 inches, from the sill. We get that all tight, just in case there's any moisture getting in there. It'll run out and dry out, so no water's getting in the structure of the house. And also, then we take the Henry sealant all the way around the outside to receive this flange, and then obviously we tape all the way around with this 6-inch tape to seal everything up.
Yeah, we just do everything that we can to make sure that the windows are going to seal. They're not going to be a weak point in the house moving forward, and like you said, water isn't going to get into the house. Dave, let's talk about the roof we have going on in this house real quick.
Sure. So here we got the Certainty's Grand Manor roof that we're putting on for this homeowner. We got the Certainty's Grand Manor full system 4-star warranty, and yeah, it's a good roof.
Yeah, and with these shingles, the Grand Manor style, they actually from a distance look like a slate roof when you step back once they're installed. So it's a really nice touch as well. We're here on the side of the house. We've got roofers working on the roof right now. The next step after the roof will be to put on the siding. Dave, why don't you tell us about that a little bit?
Sure. Yeah, so here again it's the James Hardie fiber cement siding, and come back to the Henry house wrap that we already talked about, the Henry Blueskin VP100. And then what we're doing is we're doing an extra step. The homeowner wanted the Henry Weather Smart. It's a rain screen that we're putting up, and this is just to kind of hold the siding away from the house, just to get a good natural airflow all the way over the entire wall here to keep it healthy on the backside. Again, it's not required from James Hardie, but it's an extra step, and I think it's kind of a great idea to get air in behind the siding.
Yeah, and we're excited about that. This is something we don't do with every siding installation, but it's cool to be on this big project, to really feel like we're pulling out all the stops, doing everything that we can to protect this home. We're excited about it, so this is good stuff.
Here we are once again in Kenneth Square, PA, at this beautiful property, going over what we did. First, we removed the stucco, used the Henry house wrap with the Henry Weather Smart rain screen, which has the airflow in the back of the siding up the wall and into the soffit. We redeveloped some of the dormers as well as added some cosmetic details to the house. We also replaced the roof with CertainTeed Grand Manor shingles, CertainTeed shingle over intake vent, the fascia and soffit with AZAC trim, new gutters, and installed the Marvin Ultimate windows and doors, as well as the Provia entry doors. We also did some 6-inch stone and chimneys with Drive-It. Our goal at Smucker Exteriors is to serve you with quality workmanship and great service. If your family is considering a home improvement project now or in the future, please reach out to us by calling 717-355-9368 or by visiting our website at smuckerexteriors.com.